So I am taking out the actuator on my MDX. There are like 3 small Torx screws that hold it. This one here, over here. I need to take out the terminals. Yep. I'm not so sure where the terminals were this. Yep. Okay, so I got it out. So this one you need to press the tab in the middle and you pull it out. This one you need to clear this side tabs here and it will come out from this. Yep. Then I'm going to disassemble this and see what's going on with this. Removing the center screw, got it out, and then you have a spring in here. Then we'll see if this comes apart. So these 2 sensor brackets comes up. Maybe I could take those out. Let's try pry this out, see what happens. These 2 tabs here. So the boots on mine is totally worn out. Yeah, this one is okay, but this one is totally gone. I think these are the gears. Now we have to split this into half. Oh, okay, so there's actually a screw in here. That's why I cannot open it. Okay, got the screw out. And we'll see if I could split this into half. Okay, there you go. Well, I broke the other one. I pried too much. Yep, that kind is broken. But that's fine. So this is the mechanism inside. Nothing much to it though. So these are the gears for the, I just need to clean up this one and these contacts. Yep, these contacts needs to be cleaned. There's like green stuff in there. So looking at this, yeah, they need to be cleaned. Cleaning this one with contact cleaner by rotating the cotton buds there. So this is how dirty it is. Yeah, this is how clean I could get it. Yep, and that one is also clean. I'm thinking about putting a dielectric grease there. So the grease here has dried up. Probably I'm putting in Sil-Glyde as a replacement. And this one too. Okay, I just put the assembly block back in, and then I'm going to put the gear or the upper tuff. So this gear should go down here. And the sensors, potential sensor should go up here. Yep. Yep. Then I put some new grease in there. I almost forgot the screw. Okay, got this back again with new grease, and hopefully it will work. I'll clean the contacts, and time to connect the connectors. So this one on top, Let me do this one first. Yeah, the long ones, they just like snap in there. Align those. Hard to do it with one hand. Okay. Got the slots aligned, and this will just like snap in place. It should be. Yep, there you go. And the other one. There you go. Yep. It snaps in place. This one should snap in place too. And these two terminals are for the heated mirrors. Okay. Put that back in. Yep. It should slide in. There you go. Okay, now time to put that in. And it should be like this. Okay. It's like a torque screw here, a Torx here, and a Torx here. Okay. So tightening it. Yep. 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 And it's tight. So I'm gonna put the mirror to this terminal in. Just snap them and it should be good. All the heated element is connected. Time to snap the mirror in place. Just like put it there and push it in the middle. There we go. Mirror in place. So we'll test it. Well, look at that. It's smooth now. Yep. No clicking. Yep. Then I'm gonna. Yep. Then let's do the reverse. Yep. Then forward. There you go. It's working. So probably my memory seat is now probably okay. Let me try check it.